What's up everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location you are watching this video from. It's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. So guys, I'm currently coming live from the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast. So guys, in today's video I will show you how Welingara looks the Gambia currently in the year 2025 in rainy season. So guys, without wasting much time, let me just turn the camera and start showing you guys how Welingara looks the Gambia in the year 2025. I'm currently here at Tabokoto. This is the Tabokoto Nema Johnson. So I will cross the road to get to that other side. Yeah, and then the way the camera is facing, it leads to Brikama, and that other side leads to Banjul, the capital city of the Gambia. Guys, here is called Nema Johnson, and then I will take a turn on my right hand side, which is here. This will lead me to Nema Johnson, and this is how the Gambia looks in rainy season in the year 2025. Yeah. Wow. Guys, this is how the real life looks here in this part of the Gambia in rainy season. Here is called Welingara. Yeah. Here is called Welingara. And then it was raining some hours ago, 2 hours ago. It was raining and then the rain stops, and then here I am showing you how this part of Welingara looks. Yeah. Guys, let me try to cross the road so that I can get a better view for you guys. Guys, this is how we do it here. We cross the road when we feel like it's good to go. Yeah. Guys, this is Africa for you. West Africa, to be precise, the Gambia. Guys, what did you think about this part of Welingara in rainy season? And then guys, on my left hand side is the wedding at a playing ground.
Wow, yeah, man, yeah, man.
And then guys, if you watch the video till here, just kindly give the video a big thumbs up and then subscribe to this YouTube channel. Your likes help YouTube to push the video to larger audience, and then your subscription helps the growth of this channel. Yeah, it helps the growth of the channel. Let's go guys. Guys, I begin this video from Tabokoto and then I'm walking towards Nema Johnson, so I will end this video when I get to Nema Johnson. That's the plan. Yeah, that's the plan. Alright, there's a lightning. Yep. And then guys, I'm almost at Nema Johnson. That's where I plan to end this video. Yeah. guys, I begin this video all the way from there, walking towards down there. Yeah. Finally guys, I'm seeing Nema Johnson a distance away from here. Finally guys, here is called Nema Johnson. Down there. Guys, finally I'm at Nema Johnson, and then this is where I will end this video too. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. This is all I have for you in today's video here in this part of the Gambia called Weringara. This is how Weringara looks in the year 2025 in rainy season. See you on the next video. Love you all. Bye.